Hello, Norbert here, and today explaining in video number 25 how to save a lot of money on your electrical batteries by replacing a part of them with a TES, the thermal energy storage, and using also your central heating system to bring the cool everywhere in your house, instead of only in one room as is usual with an air conditioning. That's indeed bingo number 2, because instead of only saving on the batteries, you save also a lot of money on the installation of the air conditionings, easily as expensive as the whole device itself. Remain until the end of this video and even longer, because I will make more videos. One video is really too short about this exciting idea. This video is indeed unique because it will save you so much money on the batteries and on the air conditioners.
Unbelievable!
It will also help you if the power of your contract is simply not enough to let work everything which you want, because an air conditioner takes a lot of power. And it is also a good solution in the case of a blackout. So, what is this TES? Here is a scheme. It is a medium-sized heat pump combined with a large double thermal energy storage with water. You can use the warm water or the cold water in the summer in the same existing central heating system of radiators, avoiding a lot of installation costs of the aircos. Because of the limited temperature difference with this cold water, you will need fans and also condensing trays. So I will explain this big project in a few videos, and you don't have to bother to look to the other videos if you are a cool guy yourself and only too glad to have a heat wave as we have today. So why do I bother about this project? The first idea was that these batteries are costly, so they cost about €1,000 per kilowatt hour of capacity. If 50% of the electricity in the residential sector is anyway used for heating and cooling, then that means that if we could store the energy in another way and not as electricity, then we could save much money. Storing cold water costs much less than storing electricity. So it means that you save 50% on these expensive batteries here by storing the energy in cold water. Another scenario is that the domestic house system is not able to supply power for too many big users. For example, you cannot use the dishwasher because the airco is on. I would like to have some cooling. Also, in case of a blackout, it is very convenient to have cold storage, because it requires very little power to circulate this cold water through the radiators. Let me give you a list here of all the advantages of such a system, with a cold and heat storage, a heat pump, and double use of the heat pump. We are at the end of this video. If it was useful for you, put your thumb up, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, because I think this channel is very unique in the sense that I work on the crossroad between energy and do-it-yourself. It's like a kind of supermarket, and you will find everything sooner or later. I wish you good energy.